Hi, welcome back to the FOOOCUS AI series. This is the 5th video in the series, in which we learn how to change emotions in generative images. You can copy the command from this website. When you get your output images, again change the prompt and add any emotion words on it. Next, tap on the Input Image option. After that, drag and drop your image. Now choose the Very Subtle option. Then click on the Generate button. After few minutes, you will get your image output. Now you can see the difference in both images. If you want that AI will prioritize smile more, then you can add weight to the word. To add a weight, press Ctrl and upward arrow key. Now you can clearly see the difference in both smiling images. That's how you can generate image with different emotions.